Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Businesses are on life support. Well, that's the word from the president of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, Richard Pandowi. He was a guest on the latest edition of The Exchange, a financial gleaner and a JNN business forum.
With more businesses being forced to shut their doors to the public, JMEA President Richard Pandowi admitted that there's a cloud of uncertainty hovering over the business community.
We spoke to the head of the Small Business Association and those within the JMEA, and they are genuinely scared. I mean, these are resilient people, they're strong people. You have to be strong to be an entrepreneur, MSME, but they're genuinely scared because the unknown, there's so many unknowns. But I believe that, there's some stuff I really can't disclose at this point, but the government is actively looking at how they can support employment in the MSEs, their continued employment, and what can be done to keep that sector going, and certainly on life support until we pass this period.
While some businesses are moving their services online, others are demanding tax concessions. But tax expert Alison Peart is arguing that tax breaks may not be the best solution at this time.
We talk about tax cuts. I do see where people are calling for it. However, we should be tempered to say, well, the government does need money. We're not exactly flush with cash. And normally we're getting aid from the EU or from the US. They need their money for themselves. So we need to start to look to see what we as individual Jamaicans are going to do to ensure that we get through this in a good way without panicking.
In the meantime, Mr. Pandowi is urging Jamaicans to be responsible in their spending.
We need to have people having disposable income as long as possible so they can continue to survive.
The Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clark, is expected to outline additional support for businesses during the COVID-19 pandemic when he closes the budget debate tomorrow in Parliament. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The JC Index lost 10,819 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 14 points. Among the winners were Stanley Motor, Lasco Manufacturing, Dolphin Cove, Paramount Trading and Supreme Ventures Limited. On the losing side, Caribbean Cream, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, 1834 Investments, Sagicor Group Jamaica and Indies Pharma. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.23. The Canadian dollar is going for $95.04. The pound closed at $157.43, while the euro sold for $143.41. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.